What is the difference between deportation proceedings and removal proceedings?
Hello, greetings to you. I am lawyer Edwin Fogam. I have been practicing immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Today, I would like to clarify the differences or the difference between deportation proceedings and removal proceedings. Now, many times these terms are used interchangeably. Even in the media, it is understood that when you are being taken out of the United States, you are being deported. And sometimes it is mentioned that you are being removed. But these two terms are very different. And the fundamental difference is that all proceedings after April 1st, 1997 are actually removal proceedings. See, after the Immigration Reform Act of 1996, the proceedings prior to that were deportation and exclusion. But after that, every proceeding that is going through the courts is a removal proceeding. However, this is very important because there are still cases that were closed under the deportation and exclusion proceedings regime that are being reopened. If those cases are reopened, they are technically a deportation proceeding case. So it's important to know these differences. Now, what is a removal proceeding? Presently, removal proceedings are proceedings that are initiated by a notice to appear. You appear in court and you have a master calendar hearing, which is the first hearing, and then ultimately you have an individual hearing. You could have some, what they call a status hearing in between those hearings. Under the old regime of deportation, the proceedings were initiated by an order to show cause, and you were required to prove that you were not deportable. And then if the immigration judge found you deportable, you will be deported. So these differences have some serious legal implications, even though the term deportation and removal are being used interchangeably. So I thought I should mention this to you. Of course, if you are represented by an attorney, they'll probably know which direction to go according to your documents. And it shouldn't really be a problem if you appear in court, because you will see the charging document will make clear what proceedings you are in, and you should be able to follow that. I just thought it's important because many of our clients have been asking us, sometimes they hear deportation and sometimes they hear removal. So those are the differences. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions for us, please do not hesitate to call. Our number is 301-608-1555. You can also send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And always remember not to fear the system. Seek to understand it, to work with it, and you will benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.